Hello, this is Chris Menard. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Outlook plugin for Zoom video communications, which I love. So I have Outlook running, and just so you know, I'm running Outlook with an Office 365 home subscription, but I'm on Outlook for the desktop. I'm going to jump over to this website, zoom.us/downloads. There is the Download Center, Zoom Client for Meetings, Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. That sounds like what I want. Let's download it. And if you notice, there's the one if you want to do it for Outlook on the web right below it, but I picked this one. Let's run it. Close Outlook and restart is the message here, so let's do that. There's Outlook again. Close Outlook. Closed. We'll restart Outlook. Office 365. Let's see if it worked. I'm going to go to Calendar in the bottom left corner. There is now Schedule a Meeting and Start Instant Meeting. Video on, video off, check for updates. Let's see if Schedule a Meeting works, and I'm going to stop here if it pulls up. So there you go. That is how you download the plugin. I didn't schedule the meeting because it wants a start time and stop time, but it is working. Thank you.